My New Year's resolution is to not have any more Coke.
Hey guys, it's Kim Kardashian. I know this is like a meme type of video, but like this makeup look genuinely eats. Like I don't know why we're not doing this type of makeup anymore. Like honestly. Also, if you guys are new, hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Zen. Like and subscribe. Today I'm gonna be giving you the icons of all icons. The first mega influencer. The girl that started it all, Miss Kimberly Noel Kardashian. I'm gonna be doing, dare I say, the most iconic smoky eye ever. But yeah, if you guys want to learn how to do this makeup look and potentially help me when I get sued by the Kardashians for doing this video, keep on watching. You guys, honestly though, like I hope I don't get in trouble for this video. But I'm doing this video kind of like an homage. And I have been a very big Kim Kardashian fan, so no ill will. I do want this to be more accurate than ever, so I pulled out like an inspo pic for this.
Why would you say that?
So we're gonna be starting with my face, and I'm not gonna be doing some full coverage yet because on like the picture it feels like she has like this lived-in look, you know? So I'm just gonna be using a skin tint. The one that I'm using is by Fenty. You guys, I swear this skin tint does not run out. And I'm not gonna be covering my whole entire face for this. It's just like a little bit of a glaze, you know, a little bit of a tint here and there. I know like Kylie has been dominating nowadays, but I feel like I'm still a big Kim Kardashian fan. Like I still think like she's more iconic, you know? I'm actually really excited to do the whole smoky eye situation because I never really do smoky eyes, to say the least. I don't really think she has like heavy skin makeup on this reference photo right here. So I'm not gonna be putting a lot of concealer really. Like I'll just put like a little dot right there just because I feel like it, you know? Also, I feel like this is a very hot take, by the way, but I feel like the people that are commenting on North West's appearance is like weird. Like, hello? That is literally a child. Like, why are you guys talking about her body so much? That's weird. Leave that baddie alone. Thank you. Okay, so Kim Kardashian looks like she has like a very skinny face right here, and I look like I just swallowed a whole Kanye West.
What?
Don't you think you should lose a few pounds?
So we're gonna be cream contouring. I'm gonna be using this Charlotte Tilbury one. This is a very cool toned bronzer, cream bronzer, by the way. So this is really good when you really want to, you know, snatch your face with it. See how that just slimmed this part of my face and this one looks pretty wide? Period. I did that. I'm also gonna be contouring my nose because this is not giving Kim Kardashian nose, guys. I know I look like Caitlyn Jenner, but like, wait, we'll get there, okay? We'll get there. She has really pouty lips on the picture, so I'm gonna be bronzing that up and like contouring that to make it pop more. So for blush, I feel like I'm gonna be super strategic with my placement because her blush right here looks like it's very scattered and very selective. I think it's also like a very natural flush, if you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna be putting it here and like not too much, you know? Kimberly has very strong brows for that image, and we're gonna recreate that. Ooh, that's thick. This is giving 2016. Or if you guys are wondering, I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Mine's like broken. Obviously, I'm still using it because I don't have Kim Kardashian money just of yet. But honestly, you guys, I hope this is my Kim Kardashian S-tape moment, you know? Like, I'm currently a small YouTuber. So at the moment, we're currently at 6,660 subscribers, and I hope this video like bumps that up, you know? Just gonna be setting everything up. Okay, I'm really excited about this next part. We're gonna do the smoky eye. I'm gonna be using this Tom Ford eyeshadow because, you know, I just want to be bougie today. I saw a reading on TikTok that was like, if you want to be rich, you have to act rich. So I bought this out of a whim, so yeah. I'm using Rose Topaz from Tom Ford. I'm gonna be mainly using this shade right here. So on the reference photo, she mainly focuses on the crease of the eye for this specific color, so I'm gonna keep it that way. I'm also gonna put that on the outer part of my lash line. I might just put this shimmery shade at the very center, just for more glitz and glamour, you know? This is very full circle of me because I'm using a Makeup by Mario eyeliner, and Mario is like Kim Kardashian's makeup artist. So obviously it makes sense to use this. I'm just gonna be tight lining my lash line with this one. I'm also gonna be putting it on my lower lash. Slay. just gonna be curling my lashes really quickly. If you guys are wondering, I'm using the Shu Amora lash curler. I'm planning to get a new lash curler. I feel like this one's too curved for my Asian eyes. I'm not sure if you guys have any suggestions, but please sound off. I'd like to know good lash curlers. Okay, so I'm not gonna be powdering my whole entire face because on the reference photo, she looks dewy, you know? So I'm just gonna be putting the powder strategically on the areas where I don't really want to shine too much. Like maybe here, there, wherever. I'm gonna be cutting up some pieces of this. I think this is from Ardell. These are the Ardell Wispies. I'm gonna be cutting up a few pieces and like applying them randomly all throughout my eyes because, you know, Miss Kim has really great lashes and I'm not so gifted in that department. And also I might need a BBL after this because I'm also not gifted there as well. Period. I'm gonna be using this very beat up lash glue that I had since like, I don't know, 2016. Okay, I think that just elevated everything. Period. Okay, so I think we're done with the eyes. I feel like I need more bronzer. I still feel like I look so pale. I'm using the powder version of that Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. She has a very pinky light nude lip here, so I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna start with MAC Oak Lip Liner. And I'm gonna be using this random Dior lip gloss that I found on my drawer. It's number 12. Okay, I low-key slayed this. Why do I like this? Okay, so I'm gonna be fixing my hair. So that's the finished look, guys. I'm really loving this. I'm not even kidding. I wish people would do this type of makeup again. I'm sick of the whole clean girl aesthetic. Throw that away. But yeah, hope you guys love this video. Share it with your friends. You know, let's make a good laugh out of it. Because at the end of the day, Kim Kardashian is still making wads of money. And hopefully I will too with this video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video and thanks for watching.